Hello friends, welcome to Ujval cooking show. Today let's do Veggie Hard Tacos or Veggie Tostadas. The first ingredient is pinto beans. You can also use black beans. Soak it for 6 hours. Then put half teaspoon of chili powder for the soaked beans and pressure cook it for 8 whistles. Now let's do veggies. Put 1 teaspoon of oil and take 1 bowl of onions sliced, that's 1 large onion. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's done. Let's take it out in a bowl. In the same pan, let's saute the colorful bell peppers or capsicums. Let the capsicum bell peppers be 3/4 cooked so that you get the crunchy taste in the tacos. Let's remove it in the same bowl with the onions and give it a mix. Let's put some Mexican seasoning on it, some 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix them well. Let's do the mild salsa. In a bowl, take 1 small onions finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, half bowl of cilantro coriander, 2 garlic cloves shredded, some half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon, squeeze it and give it a small mix. The salsa is ready now. Next time is guacamole. I am taking here 2 avocados. Let's remove the seed from it and scoop the avocado. Mash the avocados and let's put the other ingredients. 1/2 of the medium finely chopped onion, 1 medium finely chopped tomato, 2 garlic cloves shredded, half bowl of coriander, and give it a quick mix. Some salt to taste. I'm putting here some black pepper to have a little spicy, that's optional. Then squeeze some 1 tablespoon of lemon and give it a mix. Our guacamole is ready now. Even the pinto beans is also ready. Let's do the tacos. I'm taking here spicy veggie cheddar cheese tacos and tostadas, which I have toasted for 5 minutes to make it more crispy. First, let's fill the cooked pinto beans inside them. Next goes the veggies, the bell pepper and onion veggies, which we have cooked earlier. The third item is the salsa, the mild salsa. Next goes our sweet corn, the boiled sweet corns, some half teaspoon of sour curd, next goes our guacamole, the lettuce and spinach, some cheese on it. Lastly, if you want it to be more spicier, put some jalapenos. These are frozen jalapenos. the tacos are ready. In the same way, we can make the tostadas too. Putting all the veggies, the guacamole, the sweet corn, some lettuce and spinach, some sour curd, and cheese. Now our tacos as well as the tostadas are ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you.